Hi, welcome to Bella Stitchery, and today I am happy to reveal the new Prima Marketing Fruit Paradise line. Let me just start by saying, I do not work for Prima, but judging by the amount of Prima that is currently in my house, you might think I was part of the board. I had that thing where you place your order and you immediately check tracking like 15 minutes later, and every 15 minutes after that for like a month and a half, because this was a pre-order item. So I knew I wouldn't be getting it anytime soon, but you just have to check, like maybe it shipped and they just didn't tell me. Oh no, still processing, got it. But it finally arrived. I was very excited. My mailman has learned now to kind of like gently throw boxes so he doesn't have to go all the way to the door when I immediately open it and terrify him every time there's delivery. I'm excited to show you this line in particular because it's almost like Prima was like, you know what would Genevieve like to work with? And they nailed it. I love shabby chic, vintage, fruit labels. Holy moly. It's like Pinterest and Prima Marketing had a baby. Look at this paper. It's all double-sided. It's got a little bit of gold leafing throughout, but look at that. I like even that paper. I've already used it on multiple projects and I just got it. I actually did a scrapbook page. Here, I'll show you. Using that paper. Voila, check out that tutorial. And there's 4 pages of each design. Look at this back, look at this gingham. Ah, so pretty. And look at this, has more of that gold throughout. The back is like this, I don't know, swirly marble. That's what I'm gonna say, swirly marble. Look at this. I think this would be fun to kind of do some fussy cutting. Trim out all these flowers and like make a new collage like on a card. Try that. And then the last 4 papers I really like too because you can make cards. I love card making. This is another tutorial I have on the YouTubes on how to make this. I used this design here and I plan to use all the rest. So stay tuned, there might be more videos. And then the back is also adorable. It was almost hard to decide because look at this back paper. I mean, right? This would make an adorable scrapbook page. I've also cut out tons of these already. Look, I'll show you this page again. See these little 3D flying guys here? That's all from the back of this paper. Adorbs. Totes adorbs. So, that is the paper pad. I'm going to be doing a giveaway for this paper pad along with some flowers. So watch to the end of the video and I'll tell you how to enter for that. The other thing that I love about this collection are the flowers. They have teeny tiny ones with rhinestones. Cuteness, cuteness. Huge glittery flowers. This pack I like a lot. I've used already on cards. The layout I showed you earlier. Same with this pack. I like this because it has some solids. It also has tiny leaves in there. So it gives you some variety for like filler and stuff. And, oh my gosh, I just can't even right now. Look at this. How cute is that? It's got like some little gold kind of pearls in there. So cute, so sweet. And then there's chipboard. I wish I could show you the chipboard entirely because I've already used several of these stickers because I just couldn't wait. So this has chipboard fruit, butterflies, hearts, sayings, quotes, cherry blossoms. I want to say it's cherry blossom. Still has some of that gold foil in there. Totally adorable. I love the pears. So let me now tell you about this contest. My Bella Stitchery channel is new. I'm stoked. I've been crafting for a long time. Now I actually get to craft with you, so that's even better. What I'd like to do is to be entered to win, and let me show you what you will win. For the contest, I'm giving away this 12 by 12 paper collection, along with some pretty flowers. I mean, you can't just have paper. You got to be able to jazz it up with some flowers as well. So I'm going to be shipping this out to one lucky winner. To be entered to win, simply subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment in this video, and share this video on your Facebook. So once I have 100 subscribers, I'm going to pull a name for this contest. US entries only for this contest. And don't worry, if you see this video 5 years from now and this contest is closed, don't be sad. I'm going to be doing contests on a regular basis. So check back often, subscribe. Be sure to ring the bell too when you subscribe. That way you will be alerted to new videos and new contests. 2 for the price of 1. So thank you for checking this out. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful collection. If you'd like to buy some of these goodies anyway, because you just can't wait, I'll have links to all of these in the description. But go ahead and enter. I'm excited. You're excited. Let's just party it up. All right, thanks. See you later.